Well, so what's up, guys? YPM Vlogs back here with a new video. Today I'm going to unbox a RC car, and look, guys, here is the RC car. Look, guys. So let's start the unboxing, guys. Look. Here is the RC car's remote, guys. Look. Look, guys. Oh, look, guys, they have given me already a cell in it, and here is the cell holder where we can put the cell, and here came, guys, the main thing. Look, guys, a car. Look, guys, it is red and blue color, and look, guys, it's tire. I think so. It is the beast in my view. And so, guys, if you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe to your and share to your friends and subscribe this video. So, guys, I will show you the unboxing in this video. Like I will do unboxing of Rocket Shuttle. I have done the unboxing of Rocket Shuttle bats unboxing. I have done, and I will do an unboxing of Shuttle, and it will be a not a big video. It will be a small video. Like it will only take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So if you like this video, subscribe and share. So, guys, bye.